So I made this little tray and I glued these feet onto the bottom, and now I'm just gonna paint it white. Oh, I need to pour this on something though. I'm not prepared. Here we go. This will work. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. There we go. Okay. So the proper name for these is risers. This would be a riser. And I love these, but they're always just too pricey. So I figured I'd start making my own, which I made a few last year around Christmas time to put like decorations on my entryway tables, and they were really cute. And years ago I made some like serving trays. Okay, let's see. This first coat might look a little sloppy, but it's okay. Just trying to get the paint down. Okay, this is coat 1. I will wait for it to dry and then do coat 2. And hopefully that'll be enough coats. And then after that, I'll do the bottom and feet. Okay. Now I'm going to try to rip this raffia bow off of this pumpkin. Glued on there real good. Screw it. That's good enough. It doesn't matter because I'm just gonna put it back on there, so I don't care. Okay, but since I have this paint out here while I'm waiting for my tray to dry, I'm going to do this pumpkin. With some white. This is Folk Art Home Decor Chalk Paint, White Adirondack. I love painting stuff white because, I don't know, I like it. That farmhouse look, shabby chic, or whatever. So I like painting it white and then lightly distressing. Done that to some tables in my house, some shelves, other little arts and crafts, trays, picture frames. In this glue spot. be so pretty. I've only painted 2 things today, and my wrist is already hurting, and I am not digging that. I don't know what's up with that. I feel a little arthritic in my wrist sometimes. My left wrist, because I'm left-handed. Not a fan of that at all, because I love to paint. I need to work on like doing an anti-inflammatory diet and eat some more anti-inflammatory foods. What are these bumps there? It must be glue. Oh well. It is what it is. Oh, it's so cute. I like it. Okay, now I'm going to set this to the side. Over there, and bring my tray back. Oh, my tray's still wet, so I'll just leave that alone. Okay, what else could I paint? I know. I have this bamboo cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a riser with this one too, and just put some little feet on it. I only got a few packs at Hobby Lobby yesterday. A few packs of the little feet to make these risers. 1 pack was a 4-pack, and they were teeny tiny feet, the one that's on this tray. And then the other 2 packs were only 3. So I should have gotten a couple more, but I just wanted to try them out and see what I liked the best. So I'm not going to have enough feet because the other packs that I have are mismatched, and there's only 3 each, so I'll have to wait until tomorrow to put the feet on. I'll go to Hobby Lobby and get some more feet. Maybe I could go to Lowe's and get something actually. And I don't see these little bamboo wood cutting boards at the Dollar Tree anymore. Let me know in the comments if you do. None of the ones in Griffin have them that I have seen. They just have like those plastic ones. And I don't think the one in Barnesville had them either. Okay, now I'm gonna let this dry. This is gonna be so cute. Got a little more paint in there, but I'm just gonna put this in a container, I think. Let's see, where do I have a container? I know I have one. Okay, so you could use like a Tupperware container, but I am just going to put this in here. Oh, it barely fits. Just so the rest of that paint doesn't dry. And then I'm gonna go get a Ziploc baggie and put this in the Ziploc baggie.